Comment ça va, YouTube Nation? My name's Rogers. I'm with Richard Ranch Small Engine Repair. And in today's video, I will be showing you how to soak friction clutches along with their steel plates. Now, time is money, money is time. So what I went ahead and did was I removed all the parts from their bags. I poured my oil into my container. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna let these clutches soak overnight, but this is how you begin to soak them. First, you take your friction clutch, put it in your oil, then one steel plate. And you repeat that process until they're all done. Oil-wise, this particular application takes 10W30 for this wet clutch system. Again, this is 10W30 conventional motor oil I'm using to soak this wet clutch system. These clutches are not aftermarket, they are genuine OEM replacement. So what we'll do is I'll let this sit overnight and we'll see you in the morning. All right, it's the next morning. Our clutches are ready for installation. They've been soaking for about 21 hours. Now remember, these are not aftermarket clutches. These are Honda OEM replacements. That's gonna go on a 2021 Honda Rancher 420. I'll leave a link in the description below for the particular parts and part numbers are used. Our mission here at Richard Ranch is bringing honesty, quality, and reliability back to God's country. For an introduction video, also see the link below. It's a little background history on myself, and this will be the bike it's going to get installed on. That's going to be on another video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Remember, God loves you and wants you to prosper. You got this. You can do it. Now, go and be blessed, my friends.